Hello everyone, this is KinCony IoT lessons. This is lesson 12. We will look at how to use the door sensor. And also we will go through the 6 step, the sensor type and the pin define and the extended the distance and the diagram and the set the logical command and have demonstration on the PC software. At the first, this is the door sensor. This is a wider solution door sensor. Because this door sensor is the easiest and this is the most used in the home automation systems sensor. And this sensor type is dry contact. This is easy, just 3 line. It's not work with the power supply. You not need to connect the power supply. Just it like the switch, like the pin define. We can see this is 3 point. Just like a switch is COM and normal close and normal open. So just like a switch, you can see this have 3 lines. The green is the COM, and the black and the brown is normal open and normal close. So this is signal output from this door sensor. These 2 parts, this have a magnetic parts inside. So this you can detect for open and for close, just open and close. So this is the pin define, just 3 line. I think you will understand easily just for this sensor output. And this extend the distance. So because this door sensor is very short, this line is very short. So you need to use this line connect with our logic controller. This is for digital input. And now you need to extend the distance for line for very long. So the extend distance, because we have designed this controller for max support 1 kilometer, we have designed the long distance circuit inside of it. Only the digital input you can use for so long distance. And the analog and the temperature sensor for this box will not so much long, because this is the digital input. And also we can see this is the diagram. This diagram we can use this command. We use this box CLBS, and you can see this is Ethernet and Ethernet and the Wi-Fi and the Wi-Fi. You can choose each of one communication work mode. And this is relay output. This is orange, is relay output. And this is the digital input. This first blue row is digital input, and this is analog input. And we can use this sensor connect with the digital input 1, like this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 until digital 16. And this black is ground. We have connect with this green. And you can see this is 3 line of the sensor. This 3 line we have connect with this input, and the COM. This green is connected with the ground, and this is normal close. Normal close is this one, and the normal open is this one. Is the brown normal open. We have connected with digital input 1. So this can detect the door is open or is closed. And if you want to detect the door sensor for open and close at the same time, you can use this normal close and connect with this line for the digital input 2. So this will cost 2 channels of the digital input. It's up to you. Connect with this 1 line or this 2 line. You can use normal open and normal close for 2 digital input at the same time. It's just for on and off, on and off. And this is the diagram. It's also very easy. And this is the 5th set the logical command. Because after we have wired the sensor for the controller, we need to set the logical command on the PC software so that let the door sensor and the relay have a relationship for automatic control. So this is 2 options, option A and option B. We just usually use the open the door and close the door, the 2 situations for the door sensor. And open the door, we just set the command on the PC software. That means the level become up, and close the door. That means the level become down. So it detects the signal of the sensor. This is level become from low to high, and this is become high to low. So that is detected with this this time the point. And if you open the door, you can set the then command. You can do a command list. This is for relay on and off, or toggling. It's up to you. Also, this is also can set the relay is on, relay is off, or the relay is toggling, or have some delay time for delay second for 1 minute. Just up to you. If you open the door and the light is on, and after some 1 second, the light will be off automatically. So this is use this one command and this one command. Make two if TDD command logical command on your PC software is okay. So this is the two situations usually used. Now we'll have the 6th step. We'll have a demonstration on your PC software. I will tell you how to configure this for open and for close the door as a command. Okay, let's look at the serial BS and connect with the door sensor. You can see this is digital 1 input and this is ground. So I have used this. This is common. Common have connect with the ground, and this is brown have connect with the digital input 1. And this have 8 relay inside. Now I will test with the relay 1. The relay 1 LED indicate is in this, so you can see this LED later. And now we can open the web browser, and you can learning the IP address and the part. And also we can see this diagram. You can see this is digital 1, 2, 3, 4. I have connected with this digital 1 and the black one. And this is the serial BS software, and we can see this is IP address and the port. And after input, and we click the connect, and we can check the auto port on, so that all information will detect by this all input points. And you can see this is sensor, door sensor. I have put this part. If I remove this part, you can see this become green. So this is detect the door is open, and I can put this part on the button. This LED indicator is changed, so I can open and close and open and close. This can detect the monitor. And now we can make the FTD command. If I let open the door and the relay 1 is on, so I just click this FTD command, and number 1 command I can edit. And the FTD command, if command, I can choose the DI if. The DI means digital input and digital 1 input. And this engine P, that means the level become high. And hold on, I can click 0.1, so that will be quickly changed. And add to if. And now we can click then. I just let relay 1 is output and the action is open, and add to then. Because I have used the relay inside for the 8 channel, if you want think the 8 channel is enough for you to use, you just use this IS232 point connect with your external relay board. And the jump, you need to change another position just for change the inside of relay to use and external relay to use for this jump. And now you can apply just like this, apply. And also can use the monitor. You can see the LD1. Now I can open the door. You can see the LED indicate is on. Now the relay is on. But I close the door. There is nothing changed. So we can add a FTD command for close the door and close the relay 1. So I can click the FTD command and make the number 2 command and edit. And also is digital 1 input. But now I change this engine, just the level is become down. And also is 0.1. Hold on this time, this second, and add to add, and click then. The relay now is closed. So I need to close. So I add to then and apply. And now we can test again. If I can open the door, the relay 1 is on because it already is on. And I can close the door. You can see the relay is turned off immediately. So I can open the door and close the door, and open the door and close the door. So it's very quickly and quick responsible for the sensor for digital input. So you can connect with many digital input sensors for this automatic function. This is just an example for the turn on and turn off relay 1. Okay, this is how to use by the door sensor. Okay, now I think you can use the door sensor for your home automation for some project. And in next video, I will show you some other interesting sensor for how to use. Okay, thanks for watching.